गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज है दिन ट्यूसडे और तारीख है 21 मई। तो आज हम जा रहे हैं स्कोडा कुशाक की टेस्ट ड्राइव लेने। तो चलिए चलते हैं, लेट्स गो कृष्णा। तो मेरे हस्बैंड काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हैं स्कोडा कुशाक के लिए, और एक्चुअली हम थोड़ी लंबी कार देख रहे थे, पर फिर मैंने प्लान में कुछ ट्विस्ट किया और मैंने कहा नहीं कि हम जाते हैं स्कोडा कुशाक के लिए। तो आइए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि ये फ्रंट से देखने में कैसे लगती है। कृष्णा कम, स्टेप बाय स्टेप, स्लोली स्लोली। ये देखिए, ये देखने में कुछ ऐसा है। एक्चुअली मुझे एसयूवी टाइप कार चाहिए थी और ये सेम वैसा ही है। तो क्योंकि पहले हम लंबी कार के लिए जा रहे थे, फिर मैंने कहा नहीं मुझे थोड़ी ऊंची कार चाहिए, तो हम एसयूवी के लिए जा रहे हैं और हम टेस्ट राइड ले करके आपको बताते हैं, टेस्ट ड्राइव लेकर के आपको बताते हैं कि हमें स्कोडा कैसा लगा।
लोग आज कुशाक की टेस्ट ड्राइव लेने वाले हैं। ये 1.5 TSG वेरिएंट है ऑटोमेटिक, जिसका पावर अराउंड 150 हॉर्स पावर है। हाँ, एंड इट इज़ अ टॉप मॉडल। ओके, GT वेरिएंट, नॉट GT इज़ इन BW। ओके, तो दिस इज़ अ टॉप वेरिएंट। तो पहले हमने सोचा था स्लाविया का टेस्ट ड्राइव लेने को, चूँकि हम वर्टस का ले चुके हैं, तो दैट्स व्हाई वी थॉट कि हम लोग थोड़ा SUV का फील लेते हैं। सो लेट्स सी अंदर से कॉकपिट वगैरह कैसा है। ये इसका कॉकपिट है और इसमें इलेक्ट्रिकली एडजस्टेबल सीट्स हुई है फ्रॉम 24 वी गेटिंग ऑल्सो। ओके, फ्रॉम 24 वी विल गेटिंग द इलेक्ट्रिकली एडजस्टेबल सीट्स, जो कि फुली वेंटिलेटेड होती है, जो कि आपने वर्टस में देखा था। बाकी डिजिटल कॉकपिट है, टच स्क्रीन है पूरा, जो है ऑटोमेटिक क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल और वो DSG ट्रांसमिशन है।
कृष्णा यू कम आउट।
My name is Chidambar. I'm working with PPS Skoda Rajajanagar branch. I'm here to give a demo of Skoda Kushaq vehicle, 1.5 liter DSG.
Hi madam. I am Manoj from Rajajanagar branch.
You also say Krishna hello.
Hello,
My name is. You tell your name.
I'm Krishna.
Okay, you are Krishna.
I'm Karna.
The drive, you have two options. You have drive and the sport.
हमें कैसा लगता है ड्राइव करके, और हम आपको वैसा ही कुछ फील अपने वीडियो के जरिए आपको शेयर करेंगे। और आप पूरा जानकारी जानने के लिए मेरा एंड तक देखिए मेरी इस वीडियो को, और मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट जरूर करिए, और बेल आइकन का बटन जरूर दबाइए ताकि आपको मेरी नई नई वीडियोस मिलते रहें और आप इनसे कनेक्ट करें।
You will be missing like the digital carpet. Instead of digital carpet, you will be getting a normal analog carpet. And you'll be missing this engine start and stop button, and you'll be missing the keyless entry options, and you will miss the electrical seats, which is 6 ways adjustable like front and back, up and down, and the recline options. And you'll be missing a subwoofer in the mid variant. Here in the top end for 24 model, we are providing 10-inch display with subwoofer and Android Auto, Apple CarPlay wireless connectivity. और बाद में आपको एक इलेक्ट्रिकल से वायरलेस चार्जिंग भी मिस हो जाएगा। you'll miss this wireless charging and auto dimming IRPM. What happens if the person behind you come in high beam, especially the trucks?
Yes.
They'll be having more high beam lights. The power will be more. So when the light is higher side, so this mirror will impact on our eyes.
Yes.
The right time. So it automatically dims the light, the focus of that high beam.
Okay.
And it will reduce the stress for us, especially when the light is high. We'll just turn the mirror, or the height will close the height. So we'll be you can comfortably drive the vehicle.
All right. And in the manual one, we need to adjust it from here, right?
Exactly.
इसमें लग रहा है भाई टाटा पंच वाला, जैसे सामने पूरा दिखाई देता है बोनट। हाँ, तो मतलब उसमें इजी है चलाना, दिख रहा है पूरा।
तो ये एसयूवी का ये तो फायदा है, अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ।
हाँ, हाईवेज, but sometimes like visiting to the friend's place, or maybe for some reason going for shopping in hospitals. So that
sometimes you will be like weekly once or twice you will be driving the vehicle in the city conditions. At the same time it will be in a highway.
Yes, where should we go?
पहले मुझे ऐसे लंबी लाइक सलाबिया काइंड ऑफ कार चाहिए थी, थोड़ी लंबी हो, जो हम लोग एक्चुअली हम लोग की हाइट भी उतनी नहीं है, तो शॉर्ट मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि हम लोग पे लंबी कार ज़्यादा सूट करेगी, बट अभी घर में लाइक पंच लिया तो उसका फील थोड़ा, और घर में ये किया कि सेल्टॉस भी है और भी सारी और हैरियर भी है, तो हम लोग को ऐसा लगा कि नहीं हमें मतलब मैंने अभी सडन प्लान भी चेंज किया क्योंकि हम टेस्ट राइड के लिए
Last moment I found a way to come with,
तो मैंने ही बोला कि
yeah, it was like we took a ride of Virtus, so maybe from inside, or I mean it is kind of same length and everything is right same, so that's why we thought of taking the test drive of Kushak.
हाँ, मतलब अगर इसके बाहर के वो स्ट्रक्चर की बात करें तो मुझे देखने में काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है।
कौन सा?
ये
अच्छा,
वो
ये
रेड वाली नहीं जो आप बेसमेंट में दिखाए थे।
अच्छा, रेड कलर, मरून कलर की,
हाँ, रेड
मरून टाइप में आती है आई गेस।
और भी कलर भी होंगे ना सर?
हाँ मैडम, आपको 5 कलर का ऑप्शन है इसमें। वाइट है, रेड है, कार्बन स्टील और आपको ब्रिलियंट सिल्वर है और लावा ब्लू है। More on the highways. I think ma'am also will drive the vehicle, sir.
Yes, I mean eventually she will learn.
Okay, then I think automatic will be better. I feel because ma'am also drives. She will be very comfortable in the highway drive, and it will be very easy to drive the vehicle without any stress. Good for next U-turn.
Yeah.
Because we'll get a bit of bigger the space.
Sports mode.
Sports mode is special.
Okay.
Push it back. This sport, you can feel the power output. Initially it will change.
And how can I see the RPM?
RPM अभी ऊपर देख सकते हैं और can you change the
No, I don't want to change it. I just want
perfect.
to have a look at the RPM. Now here where is the
Here it's speedo.
Okay.
Now you get RPM.
That's it. Yes, I want to see at which RPM it is shifting the gear. 12 है ना, तो maybe.
And this is of course I know this road. I'm here a localite of this area.
Oh. Where do you live?
I live behind your prestige apartment.
Oh. That previously we were thinking of going with the sedan. Okay. But like from, I would say honestly, from past 3-4 days we are thinking about SUV. So might be I'll go with the Taigun, right? Taigun, yeah. For a test drive of Taigun as well. So I'll decide in between Taigun and Kushak only.
Mama, give me.
And the interior, the dashboard patterns will vary. And the quality wise slightly Skoda is better. And comparing with service networks, Skoda we are increasing a lot compared to Volkswagen.
I like everything, but one thing I didn't like in Skoda as well as VW is the reverse parking camera. I mean, so I have a question. Can we go for an aftermarket camera, or does it void the warranty?
It will avoid the warranty. Okay. Because Skoda gives you the warranty more, because each and every part of the vehicle will be covered under the warranty. And the thing is like when you it's serving multiple warranties on the vehicle. Like especially none of the brands will give you the paint warranty for the vehicle.
Okay.
Here they will give you a paint warranty. Here they will give you the vehicle anti-collision warranty.
टेस्ट ड्राइव के लिए ये आ गए हैं और आप पर स्कोडा कुशाक का पावर चेक करने, कितना पावर है सभी को पता है।
Okay, part mode, ना?
Yes. Reverse, neutral. So Figo, you using the diesel engine or petrol?
It is petrol.
Pointed to the petrol with 96 PS of power.
But it is quite old. having has learned driving and learned on Motivo itself. So from 2 years I was thinking like it was okay because you are learning how to drive. But once I feeling a bit confident, so now I'm thinking of braking is okay. नहीं अरे तो तुम्हारा वाला ही होगा. Yes, nothing will happen. Shift back only. S5 is decent.
DSG comes with a 7-speed automatic transmission.
Okay.
There's a shifting gearbox which gives you a more smoother drive.
So just tell me where we need to end up. Lesser, I mean on a lesser RPM I think. No. Not like एकदम से.
ये और एकदम से चाहिए तो स्पोर्ट्स मोड लगा सकते हैं और you can use the manual where it's on the pedal shifter. So now it's you're in a drive mode. When you want to immediate kick, you just minus the gear and pull the acceleration. It's here only.
Okay.
Just minus the gear, pull the acceleration. You can feel that power output in the pedal shifter.
And while driving on manual, we can't use this.
It will automatically, if you are not shifting the gear, automatically will turn for drive.
So is it the same sort of feature in VW also?
Yes.
But the VW guy told me like we need to first go in manual.
When you're taking in the knob also you have a manual option. When you're taking for a manual option in the knob, gear knob, then I need to take the knob for a drive and change it.
Okay.
When I'm in the drive mode, if I'm not using a manual, when I just want to overtake the vehicle with the pedal shifter, using a pedal shifter, and once I leave the pedal shifter,
We can downshift and
without we can downshift and overtake the vehicle. After overtaking the vehicle, if you're not using the pedal shifter, automatically it will turn for a drive.
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मतलब फील वाइज राइट.
नॉट काइंड ऑफ फील लाइक आपको लुकिंग वाइज
लुकिंग वाइज लुक वाइज प्रीमियम है, अच्छी लगती है.
हाउ डू यू फील?
ओके. So look wise I feel this is premium.
Mama.
And the feel of the steering, okay, it is very light at low speed, and at high speed it becomes heavy. Okay, so it is very much stable because we have driven on the flyover. Okay, so I felt it. And apart from that, the cockpit have all the information which Chidambaram sir has shown us. Okay, where we will get all the data like the average and the speed, the mileage what we are getting. Okay, and what I feel what I like most in this car, in this steering, the controls, these are the rollers, so it feels more premium. It comes in Octavia and all higher models I feel. So but yeah, this feels so great, okay, when sitting in this car. And apart from this we have the automatic climate control, all these are touch, okay, and yeah, the touch and feel and finish is okay. I mean these things are we have driven this vehicle on the flyover where there was slightly to no traffic, okay, and the feel was very good. I this vehicle, I driven this vehicle in sport mode and drive mode both, okay, and it responds very quickly in sports mode, okay, while in drive mode if we need to drive it very calmly, so we can use that mode. And you can see like here is too much traffic, so in the traffic I'm driving it in the drive mode and I'm getting sufficient power in drive mode as well. So yeah, the feel is there. I mean what we call it is a driver's car, the VW and Skoda cars, right? So that's what it is giving us. And yeah, apart from that, the visibility and all, I feel this is also very easy to drive as it is an SUV, and I think it comes with about 190 mm of ground clearance. Sometimes I feel anxious while driving Fico, so while driving this SUV, I feel very comfortable and very relaxed.
Open will be 6 airbags, and we have made a mandatory for 6 airbags. So all the variants we are providing 6 airbags.
Okay, 2 front and
2 front,
okay.
2 curtain airbags, and driver and co-driver seat airbags too. This should be
And back
supporting-
side?
So for the backbone support.
Like
Back side you will be getting the curtain airbags.
साइड में
Mama dip
साइड में रहेगा, नहीं तो बीच में रहेगा इम्पैक्ट.
curtain airbag.
And one most important thing
But
I would
it's
like to mention, like
we are
for
not supposed to
these guys, PPS
Mama,
Skoda,
dip
Mr.
also.
Chidambaram and Mr. Manoj, right?
I want dip.
So I requested
I want tips.
for a long drive, and I'm very much happy. I would say so because the drive has been provided on the flyover, tested its full potential. While driving this vehicle, because of the power I was getting, because currently I'm driving. I mean, I'm owning Ford Figo, which has around 80 PS of or 85 PS of power, so it is just double of that. Okay, so fun to drive. ये एक term बहुत ज़रूरी है mention करना. So I think VW और Skoda owners या Ford तो अभी नहीं है, but I think they will understand. जो फन टू ड्राइव कार्स होती हैं, जब भी आपको पावर चाहिए, आपने पंजा दबाया, पावर आपको ऐसे मिल गया, और कट मारना हो, हाईवे पे स्टेबिलिटी हो. आई मीन कट मारने से मेरा मतलब आप लोग ये मत समझिए कि रैश ड्राइविंग करिए, प्लीज रैश ड्राइविंग मत करिए. मतलब फिर भी इनकेस जैसे कोई like if somebody comes up in front of you, okay, so you feel like you need to do some you need some feedback, okay, spontaneous feedback from your steering, okay, to save you, first of all to save you, and then to save the other person, okay. So that confidence I'm getting in this car. Actually I felt the same in VW as well, but yeah, that's what currently I'm driving Skoda, so I'll talk about Skoda only. So yeah, I feel like I'll test drive Taygun also because I haven't driven it yet. But I think the cabin space and the steering feedback, everything will be same. But whatsoever, I'll take a test drive of Taygun as well.
राइट ले ली है, बाकी हम आपको और भी बताते हैं अभी हम
वो माई गेट खोल देना. So in summer season, many customers are complaining like, so is it in there or was it in the first slot?
It was there in the first slot. So the major thing is like when you stop the vehicle, especially in the traffic condition, by automatically it switches off. It's showing auto on and off option. So that time the feel of AC will reduce slightly. So that has been initiated by Skoda and they've been identified it. So now that which our vehicle we are delivering, customers will be happy with that.
So it doesn't have that problem.
Vehicle is like we have a ratio in the first type global NCAP congestion check. I will show you the numbers also.
So here is the real tire.
Chala.
Green that line or what?
Yes.
Krishna, this is bad. I mean, uncle will not talk with you.
One slightly outside.
You always doing one mistake. Okay.
So our vehicle got 29. It's almost 30. So any impacts happen like
But as compared to what
But
Skoda, हाँ Slavia वो इसका थोड़ा
ज़्यादा रहेगा.
हाँ स्पेस
Slavia comes with 521 liters, and here you'll be getting 385 liters of boot space with 60 and 40 split seats. As per the requirement, you can fold the seats.
ओके.
इधर से आराम से देख सकते हैं.
Oh.
As per the requirement, you can just fold it and use the seats. Especially this will help you in highway long drives when you're going for a trip. 380 liters. 385 liters. So when you fold the middle row seats, one person sitting down, you keep more luggage. 60 40. make it as a bed, you can make it as a bed down.
Papa, wash me up
तो
here.
अच्छा लगा।
feel good.
Papa, wash me up here.
No, up this way. I feel.
तो देखिए
I
हमें भी
felt good.
ड्राइव करके काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। और
Confidence से रहता है व्यू पूरा सामने दिखता है ना।
प्लीज़ आप लोग कमेंट करके बताइए। एक्चुअली हम लोग लिटिल बिट कंफ्यूज्ड है तो हमें किसके साथ जाना चाहिए, बट लुकिंग वाइज लाइक आउटर इंटीरियर इट्स लुक नाइस। फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने जब इसे पार्किंग में ही देखा तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे यही लेना चाहिए। तो लेट्स सी हम क्या लेते हैं, क्योंकि अभी हम 1-2 का और भी टेस्ट राइड लेंगे और हम आपको बताएंगे। और इनर इंटीरियर आप देख सकते हैं कुछ ऐसा है स्कोडा कुशाक का। बैक साइड भी आपको 3 लोगों के लिए अच्छा स्पेस है। बाकी मेरे वीडियो में आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई है, तो आप प्लीज़ मेरा वीडियो पूरा एंड तक देखिए और मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करिए और हमें कमेंट करके बताइए कि हमें क्या लेना चाहिए। तो थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your time. I'll surely call you back, and I might need this type of 1 liter vehicle.
Definitely, I will arrange that also. Today, I'm just vehicle is
Not
fully
today.
blocked. Today, it will be slight difficulty. By tomorrow, I can arrange the 1 liter.
Tomorrow will be fine. Yeah, I'll confirm. Maybe I'll go for Slavia if mind changes. So I'll let you know. Okay, but yeah, I'll surely go for. I'll surely go for a test drive of 1 liter.
Definitely. Tomorrow, I will arrange a 1 liter engine for 1 liter.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'm in no rush. Okay, I have time around 2-3 months. So I'm in no rush, honestly speaking. So I also want you guys to be in no rush. Okay, like all the dealerships used to call and when are you booking, sir? When are you booking, sir? So I have time around 1 month. Okay. Obviously, I'm going for the exchange thing. So you'll evaluate the car. The paperwork have to happen. So those things you need to consider. So yeah, I'll definitely call you back and I'll wait for the 1 liter test.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. I'll just call you tomorrow morning.
Yeah,
The
sure.
vehicle available by checking. So you can consider the timings. What time you will be free.
Timing 12 to 2, in between 12 to 2. So I'm having meetings on weekdays, okay. So if you are coming in weekends, I might be free, but on weekdays I'll be free.
Sure. I will plan for 12 to 2 tomorrow. If
Yeah.
not possible, we will plan the weekend.
Krishna, you come here.